Have you ever wondered why animals behave the way they do? How they communicate with one another? Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of animal behavior and communication. Animals have intricate systems of behavior that dictate their actions and interactions. From the majestic African elephant to the smallest insect, each species has its unique way of navigating the world. They use a combination of body language, vocalizations, and pheromones to convey their intentions and emotions. For example, did you know that wolves howl to communicate across long distances? These howls establish territory and maintain group cohesion. Similarly, birds use elaborate songs to attract mates and defend their territories. Even fishes communicate through various visual displays and electrical signals. But it's not just about communication within a species. Animals also engage in interspecies communication. Sometimes, it's about survival. For instance, the stunning fireflies use their mesmerizing bioluminescent flashes to attract mates. They even synchronize their lighting patterns to increase their chances of finding a suitable partner. Communication in the animal kingdom is not limited to language as we know it. It goes beyond words. Animals rely on a sophisticated combination of sounds, gestures, and signals to convey their needs, emotions, and warnings. They have their own secret codes that scientists are tirelessly working to decode. By understanding the intricate world of animal behavior and communication, we can better appreciate the biodiversity around us. It allows us to recognize the amazing complexity and intelligence within each species, inspiring a newfound respect and compassion. So, the next time you observe animals in the wild or in your own backyard, take a moment to unlock the secrets they hold. Appreciate their unique behaviors and communication methods, and marvel at the wonder of the natural world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights into the wonders of nature.